Changing your username on Shopify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify store by entering your credentials on the Shopify login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or profile icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Edit your username. In the Account Settings section, look for the option labeled Username or Profile. Click on the Edit button next to your current username to start the change process. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Ensure that it meets any character requirements set by Shopify and is unique to avoid conflicts with existing accounts. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, scroll down to find the Save button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may need to log out and back in to see the updated username reflected in your account. After completing these steps, your username will be successfully changed. Remember to inform any relevant parties of your new username if necessary.